there, Laura here. Today I'm going to do a product roulette for a project pan, and I saw this idea on BeckyLoves Kanga's channel, and I thought it was a really great idea for cycling through your stash and finding things that you may not have used for a while and just giving them a bit of love. So the idea is that you randomly choose one product each week to just use for that week. So you're not trying to use it up and pan it, you're just wanting to use it for the week. So I thought I'd do that today, and I'm going to go onto my little app here, and I'm going to, I've just put on all the different categories that I want to go through, like lip toppers, eyeshadow palettes, contour, highlight, bronzer, eyeliner, face powders, primers, foundations, blush, lipstick, single eyeshadows, and liquid or loose glitters. So that's what I've got on here. So I'm going to do that first. So it came up with blush. So I've put all my blushes out and counted them from 1 to 10 because I've only got 10 blushes. That includes ones in palettes as well as single blushes and blush toppers. So I'm going to use the number randomizer and see what number comes up. Press it. Right. So number 6 came up. So the one that came up was my Revlon Naughty Nude. So this week I'll be using this blush, and I haven't really used this blush for a while, so that's a good one to have go in there. And it's a very natural looking blush, so I don't even know if you'll be able to see it on my hand. It's there. My hand might be a bit too dark for it, but I'll use that this week and see how I like it. So that's all for today. It's a very short and sweet video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.